Hi everyone, it's Sue. With spring right around the corner, have you got spring fever? Can you almost smell the lovely fragrance of fresh cut grass? Hear the birds twittering in the trees? Feel the warm sun beating down on you? I know here in Canada, I sure can. I'm ready. So one of the amazing things about spring, I find, is the sense of hope that comes to life. The tiny little flowers underneath the ground hoping the warm sun will warm them up and they can sprout forth and blossom into the sunshine. It's also time for hope for a new change, a new beginning. And thinking about that, I thought hope was a great theme for an art project. And I would like to invite you, my artsy YouTube friends, to join me in this challenge. So all you have to do to join this open invitation collaboration is 3 things. First, you must upload your video Friday, March the 19th, and let me know when you do so I can add it to my special playlist. Number 2, you have to do your art project with the theme of hope. Now you can do acrylic, watercolor, sculpting, whatever it is you do, you can pick the medium. It just has to be in the theme of hope. And number 3, somehow in your video you need to explain how your art piece represents the feeling of hope. Easy peasy. So again, I will put all that information in the description box below if you want to check it out. So to get you in the mood for spring and the feeling of hope, I'm going to continue using my little tiny mini canvases that I got from BB Craft to make a little mini flower garden. So if you're ready to see how I make out with that, let's get started. So again, I'm going to be using this set of Liquitex Basics acrylic paint I got from Michaels, and I will put the link to that in the description box below. So I've already set out the variety of colors that I think I might use for my spring flowers. And I'm still going to use the brushes that I got from BB Craft as well as the little mini canvases. Now I have some water to wash out and rinse out my brush, and I'm using this matte medium to make my paint flow a little bit better. I want to let you see this tray that I used last time to store my acrylic paint. It's been about a week since I've used it, and it wouldn't keep the paint that long because acrylic paint does dry very quickly, but it would definitely keep it wet for the course of the day. But as you can see, if I add water to the paint, it's not going to be usable like you would be able to use it with watercolor. However, if you let it dry out like this, in order to clean your tray, it's very simple. Just to peel the paint right off makes it a snap to clean up. So if you would like to invest in one of these, I will also put a link to it in the description box below. Now that all of my materials are set up, sit back, relax, and enjoy my lovely little spring mini garden.